Mike. Sumayma. Bob. Okay, let's go to Maho Beach. No, because the salt is for the, what you call this, at that time it's like gold, isn't it? Yes. Here in St. Martin, salt, but now no more. Salt is for gallstone. Salt.
No, now it's hard work. Now they don't want to do salt because hard work.
Yes, hard work. But it's always been tropical weather here, so it's very easy also.
Very dry.
Yes. Ah, that's why. So this is the town, no?
Yeah, because it's like
Near the town. You can buy perfume, cologne, Victoria's Secret. Yeah. Yes. And then kanan. And then this is near, ang tawag dito? Yan. KFC, Pizza Hut, Shakey's Weird. Yes. Yes. Phillipsburg. Bit nila lahat yan. So, dito na kami ngayon bababa. Halika na, let's go. Okay, nandito na kami. So, okay lang. Opa. Saan bang stop yung sinasabi niya? Okay, this is Maho Beach. Maho Beach here in St. Martin, US British Islands.
May papalis ko.
Ano, baba tayo dyan? O wag na? Dito tayo dumaan. Ito. Ang ano na... Ay, Diyos ko, grabe, nakigulo talaga tayo rito. Oy, dito ka lang ha, huwag mo akong iiwan, Bob. Grabe siya. Ang ganda nung sun. Okay. Naluloka ako. Diyos ko, Mia Marimar. Ay, bakit ang... Saan pa pupunta yung isa? Ay! Ah! Diyos ka! Mag-aabang lang kami ng eroplano. Ay! Grabe! Ay, hello, sir! How are you?
Yeah, good.
Yeah. You're going now?
Yeah, I think so.
We just came. We're just going to have a picture and then finish. No. Hello, sir!
Oh, there's some bigger ones in there.
Yes! That one! That is the reason why we came here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We just missed a really big one.
Is it?
But
Really?
there's another one at
Oh.
3 o'clock.
Where's Madam? I wish I could, yeah, we're just going to take picture.
Yeah.
And then we will go back to the ship.
Oh.
It's like 20-25 minutes, right?
Oh, bet the most of it. Bet the most. Drink.
No drink, madam. No, we're going to work tonight. Thank you, madam.
Glad you made
You
it.
take care.
You take care.
You're going back now? Yeah, just enjoy. You still have a lot of time.
It's lovely.
Yes, thank you, madam. See you. Lovely to see you here. Bye-bye. Ano, be? Sexy. Bada. Ligo na, be. You, ano na, swim na, swim. O, diba? Ah! Ayan na, ayan na. Ayan na. It's okay, sir. No, no. Ayan na. Another one is coming. Rina. Be, another one is coming. See, that's nice. Ito talaga yung pinupuntahan dito. Ayan. Ah, isn't it? Ah! It's so nice. I love it.